Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here. So today's video is about the Infinix Smart TV 32-inch, and this is also known as the Infinix X1 Android TV. So I went over to Infinix Mobility Limited just to check out some couple of things, and the TV drew my attention. So I had to check out this TV, and in fact I was blown away. Now this TV has a lot of features and specifications that cannot be overlooked. So if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel is much appreciated. I do a lot of review like this, so if you are interested in something like this, please go down there and click that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that I can get updated once I post a new video. And without wasting much of your time guys, let's get down to business. Now to the price. The Infinix X1 Android TV is available on Jumia for 100,500 naira, which is equivalent to about $245 as of the time of posting this video. Starting with the unboxing, it comes in a brown carton with the name Infinix X1 Android TV on it. It is well packed with styrofoam for safety and convenience. When you bring it out, you see this flat screen that is small but mighty. Let's keep that down and check other things you can find in its box. Most of the components are packed in a transparent plastic bag, and first is the Infinix X1 TV user manual with many pages. You can go through the manual before you start mounting the TV. Next comes the television stand, which is made from plastic. It is lightweight yet strong enough to carry the weight of the Infinix Smart TV 32-inch. After that is the Infinix warranty card with 2 QR codes at the back for scanning. Next comes the 3.5mm plug to 3 RCA female AV cable. This is short, just for connection only. Now to the remote. This is wrapped up neatly in another polythene bag. It feels sturdy and handy with a clear word and number on its clicky button. A little more about the remote control build quality. I like the way Infinix places the button on the remote. The Netflix and the YouTube button are neatly arranged, colored with good texture. The back of the remote has some lines that make grabbing easy, and the place of the battery is well positioned, so holding it is just comfortable. This is not a toy though, but it is one nice, very functional and easy to use remote control. Infinix Mobility Limited is also generous enough to add 2 small AA batteries so that you can save the cash for that. Oh my god! Wow! And lastly are some small black screws for Infinix 32-inch TV plastic stand. That is all you find in the box. Putting the screws in their place is very easy. Even a kid of 8 years can help you to do that, but with an adult supervision anyway. The only missing part in this pack is the wall bracket. This you have to get separately before you or the electrician can mount it on the wall. Back to the television. Under it you find 2 speakers grill that are loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, and in the middle is the power button for switching it off and on without the remote. You can also see the Infinix branding at the front of the TV, and at the back of the TV are other connection ports like the LAN port, the 2 HDMI, 2 antenna ports, USB flash port, headphone jack port, and a digital audio out. This Infinix TV has a glossy finishing and it is also thin too. Before switching it on, you will notice that the overall build quality is something amazing, and Infinix really worked on this. Switching it on, the Infinix X1 Android TV roars to life and show you the stuff it is made of. For the full specification of this TV, please check in the description box below. After setting it up for 5 to 10 minutes, I was able to see that there are some pre-installed apps on it. You are free to add more apps if you wish, and I want to say the interface is easy to navigate and explore as apps run on it smoothly without lag, thanks to the inbuilt memory of this television. I decided to play some football games on it and the result was awesome. As you can see, the display is bright enough. Even watching some documentary on it, it's just beautiful and colorful at 1080p. It's a good refresh rate. Don't mind my camera, the real life experience will tell you and you understand the richness and its vibrant display. Playing some songs on this Infinix 32-inch TV is mind-blowing. It has clear sounds and beats that can be heard from the speaker well. I won't be able to play much of this because of the copyright issues. Also worth mentioning is the viewing angle of this TV. Though it is not the best, but it is still manageable. I strongly recommend this to you if you are looking for another TV in your small apartment. Getting one will be the best way to experience this, and on Jumia it has a 4.5 rating out of 5, and this is truly a very good one. Seeing is believing. So with this Infinix X1 Android TV, I can say you are in for the best. So, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel is much appreciated. And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. I remain Babatunde Omotayo, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe and trendy. Peace.